Handling shortfalls on DoorDash gift card orders.
Hello and welcome. Today, we're going to talk about a common scenario. What happens when your DoorDash gift card balance isn't enough to cover your entire order? No need to worry, we've got you covered.
Understanding your DoorDash gift card.
DoorDash gift cards are a fantastic way to pay for your meals. However, there may be times when the balance of your gift card isn't enough to cover the cost of your order. This could happen if your order total, including tax, delivery fees, and tip, is more than your gift card balance.
What happens if my gift card balance isn't enough?
If your gift card balance isn't enough to cover the entire cost, you will need to use a secondary form of payment. This can be a credit card, debit card, or any other form of payment that DoorDash accepts. This additional payment method will cover the remaining cost of your order that exceeds your gift card balance.
How do I use an additional payment method?
When you go to place an order and choose your gift card as the payment method, DoorDash will first use the balance of the gift card. If the total cost of the order is greater than the gift card balance, DoorDash will then prompt you to add another payment method to pay the remaining balance. Here is how you can add an additional payment method. 1. Select the Add Payment option that appears when you check out. 2. Enter the details of your secondary payment method. This could be your credit card or debit card details. 3. Confirm your order. DoorDash will charge the remaining balance of your order to this secondary payment method after deducting the gift card balance. So, there you have it. When your gift card balance isn't enough to cover your DoorDash order, you can easily make up the difference using a secondary payment method. Don't let a shortfall on your gift card prevent you from enjoying your favorite meals. As always, we hope this information was helpful, and happy ordering.